How to change your voice in Snapchat video. Hi, for today we are back again to our quick and easy video tutorial on how to change your voice in Snapchat video. So first is you have to make sure that your Snapchat application is updated. So all you have to do is to go to your Play Store and just type in Snapchat there. Now, if you will see an update button, you have to click on that and wait for it to be updated. And as you can see, I don't have any update button, which means my application is updated. Now, if your application is updated, we can now start on our tutorial. So let's go back to our homepage and then just turn on the Snapchat. So it will actually lead you here to your camera, as you can see. And then all you have to do is to create a video. So let's say, and then let's say that's enough. Now, all you have to do is to actually mute that video here. On the right, you will see different icons, the text icon, the drawing icon, the cut icon, then the volume icon. So you'll have to turn off the video there. And then you will see the microphone or the record icon. You click on that. Then here you will see this microphone in the center. So if you click on that, then you could actually let someone, or you could actually change your voice in the Snapchat video there. Or for example, you want your friend to do the voiceover for you instead. Let's say you are the one assigned in creating the video, and then you want your friend to voice over to it. Then basically that is how you change your voice in Snapchat video. So that concludes this tutorial. I hope you find this useful, and if you did, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. And please leave any questions you may have in the comment section. And have a great day.